Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control setting on the Destroy All Humans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Destroy All Humans on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change your control settings, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options page, if you have a controller, then you will need to go into the controller option. From this, you can change your controller pattern. To change your keyboard and mouse settings, go into Key Binding, and now you can assign up to 2 controls for the same task. In order to assign a secondary control, click on the blank space. And now, once you are prompted, you can press your desired new button. You can also change an already assigned key by clicking on the button. And now, once you are prompted, once again press your desired new key. By following this step, you can remap all of your buttons to your desired one, and then you can apply your changes, and then start playing with your customized controls right away. You can change this at any point of time by following the same steps from the key binding menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Destroy All Humans game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.